Good morning to all of you. You all are welcomed in my YouTube channel. I have uploaded a loads of the video and definitely you all are very informative and also containing a loads of good information. That information is really beneficial to all those people working in different sector of life. Today I came with a wonderful video. It also contains loads of information for different kinds of the people who are belonging to different sector. They can take loads of advantage. So I am requesting you to watch till end and collect loads of information as per your needs and desire. Today I want to discuss over the natural phenomena, natural disaster. In other words, we can say the natural devils. There are lots of natural disaster, natural phenomena like thundering, light and lightning, which generally comes during the rainy day or when it is raining. It generally occurs. Flood, drought, earthquake, volcanic eruption, plague. Recently we have faced the problem of COVID-19. In other words, we can say, if you look behind its symptoms and way of affecting us in our life is related to some of the natural activity. So there are lots of the natural disasters, natural phenomena which occurs very often in our life, in our surroundings, in our society. I want to talk one among them, like earthquake. Earthquake is one of the most dangerous natural phenomena. We know it very well. Our earth is made up of plates, that is called tectonic plates. At the center of the earth there are found lots of the molten materials, that is lava, lots of the different kinds of the metal, non-metal, other impurities. They are found in molten form and all they are flowing constantly and regularly. Just above that surface, just above that level, there is a earth surface which is made up of the plates, and that plates are also in constant moving due to the force applied by the molten material called lava, magma and many more like this. They put the pressure on the tectonic plates because that molten materials are in moving state. They move constantly at the center of the earth and they are at high temperature and pressure. Temperature we cannot measure it. Millions of degrees we can say. In other words, everything, they are having to melt everything. What thing come in its way, definitely it destroy and melt. So it put the pressure on tectonic plate. Earth surface is not alike all the places. Our earth is oval in size. It is not complete spherical. That is why some of the plates receive the heavy force and some other plates receive the less force applied by the internal parts of the earth. That one is the molten materials. So some plates move very fast and some remaining plates, some other plates move slow. In the odd movement of the plate creates disturbance. One plate go and collide with the other plate. In some cases it bent and rise just above the earth surface. The surface which rise and form like the hill, that one is called plateau, and the lower down of the surface of the earth surrounding that plateau is called the valley. This is due to the odd movement of tectonic plates. It generally occurs very often, but sometimes the force applied by the molten material or the collision become too high, then trembling of earth is occurred there. Earth began to tremble and began to vibrate, and that vibration, that trembling of the earth surface is called earthquake. We feel it, and the frequency of this vibration, frequency of this trembling of the earth surface are categorized into eight category. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The frequency or intensity of the vibration or trembling of earth is if 1, 2, 3. Because 1, 2, 3, these types of collision, these types of vibration occurs continuously, but we do not feel. If you are sleeping, we do not feel the vibration of earth surface. We do not feel anything. It goes continuously because it is at low intensity and low vibration. We do not feel it. But if the vibration intensity of the vibration trembling of the earth more than 3, like 4, 5, it makes us feel, we can feel that earth is trembling, earth is vibrating. It means earthquake occurs there. And if the intensity of the earthquake is more than 5, 6, 7, 8, it becomes the more dangerous. Here frequency, we can say that number of trembling, number of vibrating of earth surface per second is called the frequency. So in case of the 6, 7, 8, the number of frequency is too high. So everything, it has the power to destroy everything, either grand building, houses, tree, electric pole, towers, and many more like this. Many these types of the earthquake occurs many times on the earth. In a few days ago, there was the heavy trembling occurs in Nepal and some other parts of the Bihar, Odisha, Bengal. So heavy damage occur if the intensity of the earthquake is more than 6 or 6, 7, 8. It is a very dangerous phenomena. A lots of the living and non-living things are generally destroyed. Wave of the sea or ocean get very higher, and the phenomena like the tsunami also occur. A few days later, we have seen the destructive site of the tsunami that has been occurred in the part of the Kerala, Chennai, and some other part related to it. All these things are get sink into the water because the water of sea goes very high up due to the earthquake, high intensity of the earthquake. So this generally earthquake occurs due to the odd movement of tectonic plates. One plate go and collide with the other due to the odd movement, and it bent, and sometimes a crack also occur there. So the molten material, which we call lava, magma, some gases, and metal, non-metal in molten form began to come out. The place at where it began to come out is called crater. From the crater, the molten material began to come out from the inner part of the earth in bulk and begin to store just above the surface of the earth and form the shape like the mountain. There are loads of the mountain on this earth which has been made by the volcanic eruption. This phenomena is called the volcanic eruption, and the surrounding area come in the fire of volcano or molten material, and all are destroyed everything. There are almost three kinds of the volcano. Some are active, they are called the active volcano, and it occurs periodically. We know very well about the activity of that kinds of the volcano. It erupts again after 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and more fixed period. That has been found in Japan and surrounding area in other country of Japan. Dormant volcano, it means for some times it goes like it will not occur, but suddenly it become active and begin to destruct everything. An extinct volcano, once it has been occurred, but there is no chance of reoccurring here. So I think some idea about the volcano or earthquake can be obtained from this video, and in my next video I shall try to discuss over the some other natural phenomena, natural disaster, flood, drought, some other plague, and some other things like this. So I think you can collect lots of information from here regarding the topics, and if you like it, subscribe it by pressing the bell button, and also send me the comment about what you feel by watching my video. And definitely if you send me the comment, I shall try my best to select all those things about which you want to know, and that video will definitely reach you first. Thank you.